Hello, welcome our Get Lock channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best lacrosse stick that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, STX FiddleSTX 2-pack mini super power with plastic handle. If you are looking for a stick for your kid, you should check out my 7th recommendation, the STX FiddleSTX 2-pack mini super power. The stick is known for its lightweight as it is made for kids, so it has a plastic shaft. Plus, it comes with a pre-assembled body with a pre-strung pocket. Then comes its versatility. If you want to host your kid in a club and also like to play with him indoors, you should buy this stick because it offers both. The stick is made indoors and outdoors, so be stressless and bring it home, your kids will love this gift. The stick is about 30 inches long and made of double polymer. In case your kid is careless or hyperactive and breaks stuff, you can buy him this because its double polymer is unbreakable. However, the stick is for 5 years old to adults, so you can offer it to a teen or adult offspring. This option from STX is a solid choice. The Stallion 200 head has a wide face shape to help defenders with checking and intercepting passes. It also seems to hold up well based on reviews of previous customers. The 6000 series shaft isn't anything to run home about. While it should be good enough for most younger players, there are stronger and lighter shafts on the market. If you or your child are just learning to play defense, though, it's a good shaft to learn with, and you can always buy a new shaft to go with the Stallion 200 later if you want. This stick is downright high quality and durable. For that reason, it may seem a bit pricey too. However, given its performance, the price is justified. It is designed for both beginner level and midfield level skills. Number 2, STX Lacrosse Stallion 200 Boys Complete Stick with Mesh Pocket. A common problem I faced at the beginning of my career was anxiety and stress in the field. These are human experiences we cannot stop, but mental pressure and high body activity trigger sweating. We both know it is extremely irritating and also minimizes performance. But I have a solution for you, and its name is CAKLOR Lacrosse Complete Attack Midfield Stick. I started using this stick a few months ago, and it really impressed me a lot. First, I noticed that its grip drinks up all the sweat. Later I found out the grip is made of composite materials including leather and nylon. That's why I do not need to change it every month. Then comes the ability to meet targets. This stick is known for its high accuracy. Actually, the stick has a special pocket design which I call the precision pocket style. Such pockets are deep and impact resistant with smooth stability capabilities. When I used it for the first time, I was a beginner, but after using it for several months, it promoted me to the teams of intermediate players, and now I am enjoying the status of advanced lacrosse warrior. All of this happened on the basis of accuracy. The pocket has a target head shape for enhancing the trajectory of shooting or passing the ball effortlessly. Plus, the stiff shaft contributes to the accuracy by providing more control. You may find it unrealistic, but I have experienced while playing with CAKLOR Lacrosse that the stick is lightweight like smoke. That is the reason why it increases the speed of the player and allows him to move quickly. The average weight of the stick is about 15 ounces only, while other sticks are 5 pounds or sometimes 10 pounds. However, if you want to show something different on the field, you should purchase this one of the best lacrosse sticks for beginners. That is the reason why it increases the speed of the player and allows him to move quickly. The average weight of the stick is about 15 ounces only, while other sticks are 5 pounds or sometimes 10 pounds. However, if you want to show something different on the field, you should purchase this one of the best lacrosse sticks for beginners. Number 3, STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Complete Stick. It will be good for every beginner to use a lightweight lacrosse stick. Basically, the purpose of having light sticks is to get maximum control over the game. And if you are the one who is searching for the most convenient way to control sticks, see the STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Complete Stick. I have been using it for years, and the story begins when my coach introduced me to the stick as I got admission to the club. I was unable to control the ball and sometimes because of fatigue, it was hard to move faster. My coach spotted the problem, and then he asked me to buy the STX Lacrosse Stallion. To be honest, it completely changed my gaming skills within a few weeks. First, I learned how to tackle the ball in times of pressure. As the stick is for attackers, it allowed me to trick the opponents mercilessly. Then comes its versatile net. The stick has a soft mesh-made pocket. Beginners require deep pockets for enhancing ball security. In this way, one can effortlessly keep the ball for a little more in the net and then pass it toward the partner. Anyhow, my previous lacrosse stick was not bad, but the ball always used to pop out from the pocket. It was a terrible thing to deal with, but the difference I noticed between this lacrosse stick and my previous one is, it offers more forgiving off-the-center catches. The Eclipse 2 is the updated version of perhaps the most popular goalie head in the history of the sport, the Eclipse. It comes number 4 STX Lacrosse Fortress 300 Girls Complete Stick. If you want to take the game to the next level, here is my 8th recommendation, the STX Lacrosse Fortress 300. The stick is not famous because it is only for girls, but because it is also a life-changing equipment. It has only advanced features such as the FlexiScope technology or the C-channel technology to enhance the power and control of the player over the game. Anyway, the FlexiScope technology is there to push the limits beyond imagination. Basically, it offers a smooth and flexible job. In case a ball comes in full speed and you try to resist it, as the stick is for defense. But once you catch the ball, it will cause a vibration in the whole cross. It is because of extra rigidity, but if you use a flexible stick, then you can solve the problem. Further, the C-channel technology is for increased stability while you play. The previous STX FiddleSTX 2 is a great one, but it has weaknesses in terms of stability. On the other hand, the C-channel technology for delivering more rigidity to the head to get stable hits. Plus, it also increases the life of the pocket by absorbing and empowering the sides. But is regulation size and good enough for beginners to learn with? Note that you may have to restring the mesh or find someone to restring it for you due to the often poor factory string job. It's important to note that the shaft that comes with this stick is attack middie length 30 inches and isn't designed specifically for goalies. Number 5 STX Lacrosse Men's Stallion 200 Defense Complete Stick. If you are looking for a cheaper defensive stick for young intermediate players, this option from STX is a solid choice. The Stallion 200 head has a wide face shape to help defenders with checking and intercepting passes. It also seems to hold up well based on reviews of previous customers. The 6000 series shaft isn't anything to run home about. While it should be good enough for most younger players, there are stronger and lighter shafts on the market. If you or your child are just learning to play defense, though, it's a good shaft to learn with, and you can always buy a new shaft to go with the Stallion 200 later if you want. It is for those who take lacrosse pretty seriously and plan on playing as a professional one day. It will help develop the fundamental skills of lacrosse. It meets all the NFHS and NCAA rules. As part of the Stallion 200 lacrosse products family, this stick is downright high quality and durable. For that reason, it may seem a bit pricey too. However, given its performance, the price is justified. It is designed for both beginner level and midfield level skills. The soft mesh net comes stuck to the stick. There is no work on your part as the stick is ready. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.